Guys, today I'm showing you D-Download, the cloud storage I've been using for months. Huge files, lightning fast sharing, access from anywhere. Stick around, this one's worth it. This is the homepage, super clean. You don't even need an account to download files. Their data centers are in Europe, the US, and Asia, and you pick the location yourself. Uploading is dead simple, just drag and drop, up to 50 gigabytes per file. Share the link, add a password if you want, done. No sign up needed for your friends. The ultimate plan is a beast, unlimited speed, unlimited storage, and 0 ads. And the yearly plan? Just €3.33 a month. Pay by card, bank transfer, or even Bitcoin. My verdict, D-Download is one of the best cloud storage services right now. Links in the description. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.